Hello class 7 students. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well and preparing for the examination. So, as we have finished the syllabus for PT1, we have already finished the worksheet for chapter 2 and chapter 3. And also we have discussed different type of questions from chapter 3. Now we are discussing different type of questions from chapter 2 from your concept. So here it does not need to write all the questions, only that question you will write that you are not able to uh, understand, or if you want to write for the future purpose, because each and every questions are from your concept that has been taught already through the video classes, and all the objective questions here are framed from your concept. So now this is for quick revision purpose, so that it will be revised in quick manner. So here we'll revise in quick manner. So here identify the hardware and software elements from the below list. So here monitor, web browser, MS Word, mouse, scratch, motherboard. This type of question we have already discussed in the worksheet. So we will not discuss. Choose the correct answer. Which of the below computer part is known as brain of your computer? All of you know CPU. In the image shown, what is the OS, memory size, and system and type? Already we have discussed through the video classes. Here the window, this is Windows 8.1, and memory size is 2 GB, and system type is 32-bit operating system. Now here match the followings. Here CPU, processor, RAM, hard disk. So CPU you can here you have to match with the correct option. So CPU you can say brain, processor you can measure in hertz, RAM is the main memory, hard disk is the second memory. Again pen drive, you can write pen drive as a backup. In backup concept we have already studied about pen drive. Digital camera, you can say digital camera as USB port, resolution 800 into 600, BIOS, booting, operating system, Linux. Linux is a operating system. BIOS, booting is done by BIOS. So in this way, you can identify the correct matching point. Write unit of measurement against each of the following components. I have already given you to write this question through video classes. Here activity based question, watch the simulation to know how a computer is assembled. Identify the part that are used to build a computer. These are the link, you can go there and you can see the video. Here also this is activity class. Check your system setting, list the details about processor, RAM size, OS name, version and OS type. If you are using laptop or desktop, you can do this activity. Check if the above details are same for two different system. If there are two different system, you can check why is the CPU known as brain of computer. I have already given you this question through video classes, so no need to explain. State true or false for the following. A computer processor's speed is measured in terms of hertz. Yes, it is true. In hertz, megahertz or gigahertz. So it is true. There can be more than a single processor in a computer. Yes. In a multitasking computer, there is a more than one processor, i3, i4 processor, dual core processor. So there are more than two processors in the computer. The value of 2.66 gigahertz refer to which of the following? So here it is talking about microprocessor speed. Now a processor speed is measured in terms of opposite question, in terms of hertz, gigahertz, megahertz. Same here. Here you have to, what is the processor name and processor speed? You have to tell. So processor speed is 1.50 gigahertz and processor name is AMD A4. This is the processor name. So AMD A4 5000 APU with random TMHD graphics. Now we'll move to the next question. Here, which of the below memory storage option is known as main memory of the computer? So here RAM is the main memory of your computer. Ravi is typing a letter. He has not saved the file yet. Where is the information being stored? If you are not saving the file, that means your file will be saved in RAM. So next question. A RAM is also called as a portable storage device. False. A RAM is also called as a main memory. The data in RAM remains even after the power is switched off. It is also false. The data in RAM get erased when the power is switched off. The speed of computer depends on RAM. It is true. Choose the odd one out, give reason for your choice. Here CD, SD card, pen drive, RAM. So here CD, SD card, pen drive, all these are storage device, but RAM is the main memory. Choose the correct option. A kilobyte is equals to 1024 bytes. All these concepts we have discussed in the video lectures. 1 GB is approximately equals to 1.074 bytes. So answer is, oh sorry, 1 GB. So answer is D, 1.074 GB. Convert the following as per the unit of measurement. 1 kilobyte is equals to 1024 bytes. 1 MB is equals to 1024 KB. 1 GB is equals to 1024 MB. Here also state true or false for the following. The hard disk drive is the main memory of computer. It is false. This is hard disk is the secondary memory. Secondary memory is where the information is stored permanently. It is true. The data on the hard disk is not erased when the power is switched off. It is also true. Data in RAM is erased. Data in hard disk is not erased. The storage capacity of DVD is much more than a hard drive. The storage capacity of DVD, no. Hard drive is the is having much more capacity than DVD. So Rina is using the keyboard to type a letter. How is the computer able to display what she is typing on the monitor? We have already discussed this type of long questions, so we'll not uh, invest our time to discussing this type of questions since we have already discussed. Write a note on peripheral devices. I have already given you to through the video classes to write this type of questions. Match the devices to correct ports. Here, monitor, digital camera, LAN cable, mouse. So monitor will be arranged in VISIO port. Digital camera is arranged in USB port. LAN cable will be arranged in Ethernet port. Mouse will be in PS2 port. We have already discussed. The image of a laptop, in which of the below parts shown in the image will you concern an Ethernet cable? So here it is looking in which you are inserting the Ethernet cable for accessing internet. So here number 2. Again, which port will you use to connect a pen drive to the laptop? So in this you are using number 5 here, pen drive or any type of USB device you are inserting here. Now here, which ports are marked incorrectly in the image? Give regions. The image is given here. So here, look at the first option was, so here it is Ethernet and here it is USB port. So it is swapped. So here it is wrong, other is correct. Here it is power cord, VGA port, audio jack socket. So here it should be USB port and here it should be Ethernet port. We have already discussed in the video classes. A VGA port is used to connect the monitor to CPU. Yes, it is true. What is port? Give example of different types of ports and the device that can be connected to these ports. We have already discussed this type of questions. Sanjay wants to assemble his computer. Help him to connect the external devices to correct connection ports, PS2 ports, Ethernet port, audio. We have already studied in the video classes. So you already know how you can give the answer. Answer the difference between main memory and secondary memory. We have already discussed through the video classes. Now we are moving to next question. What do the various components of computer receive power? Sorry, how do the various components of computer receive power in power supply? We have studied and I have already given you question to write the answer. So all of you have written. What are the function of motherboard in computer? I think all of you have studied this question. Here the value of 800 into 600 refers to which of the following? It is RAM storage capacity, no. This is the horizontal pixel, this is the vertical pixel. So here it is about pixels, so it is talking about resolution of the monitor. Now in which of the below situation will the image be sharper than others? Sharper where the pixel will be more, the images will get sharper. So here you can see a screen size 15-inch, resolution 1200 into 1020. You look at the resolution, which one is much bigger. So second B is much bigger resolution, so image will get sharper here. What are the factors on which quality of display depends? We have already studied resolution and aspect ratio. Here also a monitor has number of individual dots known as pixel. A resolution with a number of pixels spread out over a large number of inches will show a sharp image. So here it is false. Resolution with number of pixels spread out over a large number of inches. No, it is spread in the large number of pixels in the term of horizontal and vertical axis, then your image will get sharper. Explain the term pixel and resolution. I have already given you to write through the video classes. So find the screen resolution of your monitor. This is the activity based question. Put the below steps of booting a computer in the right sequence. We have already studied this question. So here I have already studied all the steps. So here will not take much time. So I'm only telling you the right sequence. First, BIOS runs on computer. Second, BIOS identifies and initialize the hardware devices. After that, BIOS loads the operating system, and finally BIOS gives control of the operating system to the OS, operating system. Which of the following software gets loaded first when we start computer? So first loaded BIOS and does booting. State true or false for the following. The BIOS checks whether all the hardware units of computer are working or not. Yes, it is true. In the beginning, BIOS checks in the time of booting. Describe how a computer is booted. We have already studied in the topic BIOS, and I have already given you to write the answer of this question. Now, the next question is distinguish between BIOS and OS. I have already given you this question to write through video classes, so there is no need to explain. So next question is choose the odd one out. Give reason for your choice. Here Ubuntu, Red Hat, Debian, Windows. So here Windows, all these Ubuntu, Red Hat, Debian is a freeware operating system, but Windows is not a freeware, it is a proprietary licensed operating system. 42. State true or false for the following. The OS is loaded first when a computer is started. No, BIOS is loaded first, so it is false. Android is a popular desktop operating system for computer. No, it is a popular mobile operating system. So both are false. A browser application is a type of application software. As we have studied in application software, so it is true. Choose the odd one out, give reason for your choice. Google Chrome, Microsoft Outlook, Ubuntu, Scratch. Here Google Chrome, Microsoft Outlook, Scratch, all these are application software, whereas Ubuntu is a operating system. This is a system software. Ramesh is typing a report using a computer. What precautions should he take to ensure that he does not lose the report data? Copy the file to pen drive, burn the file on CD, save the file to the portable hard disk. So all these options are here not correct, because here Ramesh is typing a report using computer. He has not typed, he is typing. So if he is typed, then all option will be correct. But here he is typing, so he should take precaution as yes. So whether he is typing means he has typed. Ramesh is typing a report using computer. What precautions should he take to ensure that he does not lose the report data? Means he can save the data in pen drive, in CD or portable hard disk. So answer will be any of the above or all of the above. Dash is a removable storage device. Removable storage device. RAM is not SD card, hard disk drive, online drive. So here answer will be SD card. Sometimes hard disk drive can also be removable, but here it is asking, so you have to choose one option. So here SD card. What are the advantages of taking backup? We have already studied, so no need to explain. So these are the activity based question. Create a presentation about different components of desktop. We have already studied all the components through the video lecture, so you can make presentation. Ram has taken a Xerox copy of important chapters from library book. Similarly, what are the different ways by which he can take copy of important data from his computer? You have already studied in backup, so he can take in pen drive, in CD, DVD or online drive. So in this way you can give the answer. So now question discussion is finished for chapter 2. So in all the way your syllabus has been finished. Now get ready for the examination. Thank you very much.